This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to, find the Google Drive app that you should have pre-installed with the system. So most probably you will not have to download any other apps. Unless you have manually uninstalled the Google Drive app earlier, then simply get it for free from the Play Store. Anyway, once the Google Drive is launched, hit this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, allow Drive to have an access to camera, and then simply take a picture of whatever document you wanted to scan. Here is mine. Let me quickly capture a photo. Then, if you are satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, simply, retake the picture. The following interface provides you with a few editing tools, such as changing color, rotating your scan 90 degrees at a time, or cropping or, cutting an original photo you took, like that. So, let's say I'll just frame the text and trim off some unwanted paper edges that I have, and you can also align it a little better, like that. And finally, once you are satisfied with the result and you're ready to save it into a PDF file, hit the save button. Then you can make some last minute changes, such as renaming your document or changing account or folder. Then hit the save button, wait for it to be uploaded to Drive. And here's the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.